Alright, you might have yourself a Greenfield lawn machine. This one's a Fastcut 34, but I don't think it particularly matters what it is in terms of as long as it's a Greenfield. I think they're much the same. Your blades, they might end up looking a bit ordinary, so I've got a lot of rocks and junk at my joint, and see how they're all curved off here on the end. That's not what they're meant to look like. So the first thing, and probably the most important thing you want to be doing to getting the lawn machine in a spot where it's going to be easy to work on. So I'm just going to plonk it up here on my workbench. In the pack of new gear, be finding just your couple of blades, and you get your new bolts with your washer and your nylock nut. I'm finding that a 17mm ring spanner will get in there. Alright, so just as a comparison, that's what that's the difference in the blade, a new one compared to an old one. Well, no, you've got from back when it was mining days, there's all kinds of old stuff being buried all over the place. You got bloody bricks and stuff, and like you'd be hooking along thinking you got your lawn looking pretty good, and then all of a sudden you're throwing a half a brick at your window just because some old coal miner or something's thrown a brick out 80, 100 years ago, because it's not going to be their problem. They're not going to be mowing the lawn. They're working a couple 100 metres underground, so they don't care. Anyway, that's my problem, not yours, I suppose. Alright, so the new blades, order of assembly if you like. You want to put your bolt through your blade so it can spin on that round bit. Then this spring washer looking thing, it can go there on the in between. And you just want to line up that square to be pushing through the square in the plate that it all bolts up to. And then you just want to just do it back up again. Another thing, like your blade, it mightn't be worn down like this one, but you might be getting a rubbish cut still. And something that might be contributing to that is that this hole where it spins back on, it can get real flogged out if you're hitting stuff all the time. So, like I said, the other day I hooked onto a brick and flung it at the house, which wasn't, well, it was a bit sketchy really. But yeah, what happened was it dinged up all inside the hole a bit, and then the blade, it gets a wobble, and then you end up with like you can see it leaves like a bit of a scoring mark in your grass, and it's not appealing aesthetically. There you have it, got the new blades on. I reckon that's going to make a hell of a lot of difference, being that they're quite firm there. The play that the play that the old blades had wasn't helping the situation at all. It was really quite disappointing. You go out and you mow your grass and you finish and you're thinking, well, it's shorter, but it doesn't look nice. All right, thanks for watching.